Good and blessed day, everyone out there. This is your host and career supporter, Eric, the Homework Now YouTube channel, where we scout, research, and provide at home, hybrid business opportunities and career resources for the everyday worker. We have some exciting opportunities today, but before we start, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel to get the latest info from Homework Now. All right, so today's show is actually special because we are all talking about safety and quality. So if you're good at or you have an interest in safety processes, keeping things up to spec, quality, this is the show for you. So let's get started. All right, so our first company that we're going to talk about today is called Harris. Now, they are a technology, engineering, and construction safety company. So let's take a look at their website. It says transforming ideas into reality. Experts in design and engineering, construction, manufacturing, building automation, service, conveyors, and end-to-end building systems. So you could take a look at some of their projects that they have worked on before, some famous arenas, buildings, stadiums, hospitals. So they are basically a safety company. They design, engineer, construct, building automation services. Says the Harris team brings a spirit of creative problem solving to every challenge, addressing issues before they become problems, developing smart, practical solutions, and consistently exceeding expectations. Learn more about Harrison or explore the areas of expertise. So their safety is fundamental from conception to completion. All right. So Harris Company, it's basically a safety consulting company. They probably provide safety plans, health with organizing of HSC, health and safety and environment, products, materials. So if you go to a location or a building, you're reassured that everything will be under good specs, under good inspection plans as well. All right. So let's take a look at the position that they have available. So this is going to be a site safety supervisor. Now this is a full-time position. So this is actually it is going to be remote, but this is a remote traveling position. So you probably are going to be remote at home, but you have to travel to different sites or different projects. Maybe go to different buildings and do your safety inspection and safety analysis there. So it will be a traveling position, but it will be remote. All right, so let's take a look at the job details. So what you would do is for safety, you would be assist in controlling hazardous working conditions and unsafe employee activities throughout interface with project management supervisory personnel. Assist in supervision and administration of safety, first aid, and rescue squad activities. Assume total responsibility for safety operations when assigned to shift work. Participate in developing and conducting employee orientation training, task specific training, ongoing supervisor training, and assist in developing training project manager safety. Conduct work area surveillance, inspections, air sample tests for confined space entry, property damage, and personal injury investigations. Document all accidents, safety violations, unsafe conditions, and activities. Issue confined area entry and hot work permits as required. Accompany safety, health, and insurance inspections on walkthrough tours as required. Review safety related journals, catalogs, etc. to keep abreast of changes, improvements in protective safety equipment, materials, and gear. Assist in preparing written appeals for safety violation citations. Input and retrieve data from industry safe management software. Okay, so that's what you'll be doing. A safe as description of this job as far as the safety part. So a lot of walking through offices or plants or maybe just locations and checking their safety protocols. If maybe everything is labeled properly, you have a fire escape, fire equipment, first aid, health and safety inspections at different locations. Okay, So, safety supplies equipment coordination. You will pick supply orders for shipment to job sites and restock. Maintain equipment storage areas to ensure that inventory is protected. Ensure all items are stored according to fieldwork procedures and company standards. Okay, so what we're looking for in you: 4 years of construction, industrial, occupational health and safety experience, proficient understanding of OSHA standards and guidelines, comprehensive knowledge of workers' compensation accident investigations, knowledge of equipment and tools, including their designs, uses, repair, and maintenance, proficient in Microsoft Office. Okay, so your life at Harris. As one of the country's leading mechanical contractors, Harris offers you the best of both worlds: the stability, resources, and opportunities of a national company, and the team culture, creative spirit, and consumer loyalty of a local business. If you thrive on a variety of new challenges, we want to meet you. From stadiums to manufacturing facilities, power plants to hospitals, concert halls to classrooms, we handle projects of all sizes and complexity from multiple region locations across the country. So they work on a vast uh, area of different buildings and structures, stadiums, power plants. I mean, you just name it. Every location you go to or every site has a safety protocol, have safety procedures that they have to follow to ensure everybody gets there safe and working there safe, and they go home safe as well. So that's an interesting. This is a really good opportunity for safety inspections, safety protocols, and safety procedures. So let's look at their compensation: medical, dental, vision, and life insurance, 401k with company match, vacation time, sick time, and paid holidays, paid parental leave, and short term incentive plans. Okay, so you have a website you can also go to look at their benefits. Now, the pay range is interesting. You have 72,817 to 109,226 per year. The actual salary offered will vary by candidate based on a wide range of factors and as specific skills, qualifications, experience, and location. All right. So, and then also they are equal opportunity employers. So, like I said, this is a position where it is remote, but it's a traveling position. You'll be at your home base, maybe it's your home office, or maybe, and then you would have to travel to these different sites and perform safety inspections for that project. So Harris is opening a site safety supervisor position. If you think that this is up your alley and that you'd be good in this area, please apply to this position, and I'll leave the link in the description below. All right, guys. So our next company is called Sphera. Now they are also a safety and consulting company, but they are more on the reporting, data analysis, uh, reporting side. So they have the software to provide safety reports, analysis, um, you know, cloud forming software for safety uh, results and regulations. So it says achieve your sustainability goals. We provide the enterprise sustainability management software platform, comprehensive data sheets or data sets, integrated supply chain network, and industry leading experts you need to sustainably and safely performance improve and measurables, actionable and audible ESG reporting. So, like I said, they're more on the reporting side, probably have um, workable and tangible goals that you can see in a computerized setting. So they work with environment, health, safety, and sustainability, product stewardship, supply chain transparency, operational risk management, and sustainability consulting. All right. Sphera is the only company providing a 360-degree view of sustainability and performance management at the enterprise, operations, and product levels. Our software, data, and consulting combination enables companies to meet all regulatory reporting and assurance requirements. Okay. Yeah, so like I said, they are a safety consulting company, but they're more on the software data consulting integrated sustainability side. So they probably help with measurable goals and data, reporting. You know, they're probably third party. You say the third party testing data sets. Also, it looks like they're good in like emissions calculations. So they're definitely more on the consulting side, trying to put those measurables in a platform or a computer form and come up with things that you can access and track for a company's safety record. Okay. Uh, Sphera Cloud. So Sphera's sustainability software platform, comprehensive data sets, integrated supply chain network, and industry-leading experts enable you to manage and mitigate risks, achieve compliance, and satisfy stakeholder needs while retaining your focus on what you do best, right, which is really important. You can take a look at their enterprise sustainability management and see what forms that they work with as far as safety and operational risk. Okay. So yeah, supply chain, and these are some of the companies that they work with, like BASF, BP, Dow, Kinder Morgan, Siemens, Texaco, and some of the industries that work in industrial and manufacturing, chemicals and life science, customer service and technology, oil and gas, hazardous materials management, and financial services. And these are some of the articles that they have been out about their company. So Sphera. So this is the company that safety IT company measurables. So let's take a look at the position that they are offering with that company. So this is for HMMS Data Input and Retrieval Specialist 3. This is a US remote position full time. And it was just posted today. So July 15, 2024, this position was just posted today. So make sure you get your resumes and cover letters and get ready uh, to apply for this position. It's hot right off the presses. Okay. Okay, so Sphera is a leading global provider of enterprise software and services that enables companies to manage and optimize their environmental, health, safety, and sustainability. Our mission is to create a safer, more sustainable, and productive world. Sphera is a portfolio company of Blackstone, a US-based alternative asset investment company that focuses on private equity, technology, and innovation, and more. Blackstone businesses succeed through strong partnerships, a personalized approach, and a commitment to exceptional performance with uncompromising integrity. Sphera and Blackstone are leaders in environment, social, and governance space, ESG. All right, so we are guided by our core values of customer centricity, accountability, bias to action, innovation, and collaboration. These values help us recruit the right talent to join our rapidly expanding team around the globe. It is important to us that each and every Sephiron is not only eager to challenge themselves and knows how to get work done, but is an awesome addition to our company culture. All right, so let's take a look at some of the key requirements here. You must be a U.S. citizen, ability to verify U.S. employment eligibility using Form I-9, ability to obtain and maintain a U.S. government security clearance and common access card, high school diploma or GED, 2 years experience of data entry experience, preferably environmental domain related, ability to pass a drug test, and 6 months trial probationary period may be required. Okay, so let's take a look at some of the qualifications. So, the specialist experience, education, and training must show enough knowledge, skills, and abilities to demonstrate and potential to successfully perform the duties of this position. Specifically, the specialist may be evaluated on, and these are the listed bullets below. So first is knowledge of safety data sheets, knowledge of chemical abstract sustainability registry, knowledge of the 29 CFR 1910, 1200 OSHA hazard communication, knowledge of working with regulatory agencies and compliance programs, i.e., OSHA, EPA, state, and local, ability to perform quality assurance procedures on data entry, analytical thought processing for data modeling, ability to use reporting tools to verify and validate data, skilled in operating automated equipment such as computer terminals, scanners, and facsimile, knowledge of hazard materials and or hazardous waste, knowledge of hazardous material management system or HMS, ability to present clear and concise information consistent with target audience, ability to minimum of 35 to type a minimum of 35 words per minute. Okay, so major duties. Let's take a look at this. In addition to being able to accomplish the duties of a data input and retrieval specialist 3, the specialist will provide general customer support and HMMS program. Additionally, the specialist will process the ability to perform the following duties. So here we go. It says monitor and process SDS requests daily in an efficient manner to include research as required, communication directly with customers regarding their requests, ensure SDS data entry is entered following the guidelines set forth in the SOP, stay current regarding OSHA hazard communication 29 CFR 1910 1200 and subsequently global harmonized system policies and rule changes. Provide data verification and reconciliation to ensure HMS SDS data integrity on a regular basis. Maintain access to the DLA FLIS system for research purposes. Access a point of contact for HMMS SDS requests. Assist the system administrator and or DBA in maintaining the HMMS application, software, and system configuration. Auditing of cage company information to ensure correctness, auditing of chemical information to ensure correctness, reviewing processing records ready for QA status, participate in internal demonstrations and meetings. Perform other duties as assigned. A limited amount of travel may be required. This is remote position. All right, so those are some of the duties that you will be doing for this position. So let's take a look at the pay. So pay is going to be between 50,400 to 75,600. Eligible for varying variable compensation plans, commensurate with a relevant qualifications and experience. Benefits include medical, dental, and vision insurance, health savings account, flexible spending account, 401k retirement plan with company match, life and disability insurance, critical illness insurance, accidental insurance, hospital indemnity insurance, paid time off and holidays, and flexible working schedule. Sphera is an equal opportunity employer. We celebrate diversity and a commitment to creating an exclusive environment for all employees. This job description is intended to convey important information essential to understanding the scope of the job and the general nature of level of work performed by job holders within this job. This job description is not intended to be exhaustive list of qualification skills, efforts, and duties, responsibilities, or working conditions associated with this position. Okay, so wow, so this looks like a very interesting position with Sphera as an HMS data input and retrieval specialist 3. So if you had experience, like I said, this is for safety, maybe even some quality assurance background, familiar with like state local regulations on how to document safety, with safety registries, communication with OSHA, EPA, this may be the position for you. This looks like a very interesting job to apply for. So, like I said, I'll put the link at the description of this video below. So, be sure to apply for this HMMS Data Input and Retrieval Specialist 3. All right, so our last position comes from a company called Dekra. They also too are a safety company with also experience with data management and IT services for safety. So they also, specialize with software systems to provide safety standard regulations for different companies. So it says Dekra North America protects people, assets, and other community by providing comprehensive testing, inspection, certification, and consulting services around the globe. We are a world's leading safety solutions provider with over 47,000 employees and around 3.4 billion in revenues worldwide. Wow, that's interesting. So let's take a look at some of the divisions that they have for Dekra. So they do audits, claims and expertise, EHS consulting, industrial inspections, vehicle inspections, product testing, product safety, and organizational safety and reliability. And the website is pretty straightforward. So you can go and click to each claim, each division, and see exactly what their review of their services are. So they seem like they are fully integrated company designed for testing policies and regulation. Okay, awesome. Dekra. So let's take a look at the position that they have for this company. They are opening a process safety specialist. And so this would be a consulting job with full-time remote position. So let's take a look at the details. Description of this position. So the process safety specialist provides technical services and guidance to support process safety improvement activities globally, with a focus on North America to clients in various industries. This position involves professional work for research, development, design, operations, evaluation, and improvement of manufacturing facilities, processing equipment, handling methods, or products. The process safety specialist role is responsible for proposing potential risks, reducing tactics, recommending testing when needed, and assisting clients in their interpersonal excuse me interpretation interpretation and application of technical information applicable to their facility. Okay, so let's take a look at what you'll be doing for this position. Primarily responsible to provide a variety of process safety and assessments, reviews, or evaluations for equipment processes or procedures in a client's facility or remotely. Performing process safety assessments and evaluations to OSHA and PSM standards. Review and apply best practices and code requirements from a variety of standards and regulations. NFPA, Building and Fire Codes, OSHA, FM Global, etc. Communication with clients and consulting team in a timely, effective, and continuous manner. Follow up on new opportunities and prepare quotations for prospective clients. Perform on team projects and independently on projects or tasks. Develop technical reports as required. Perform technical reviews for peers, which could include marketing papers, presentation, reports, etc. Other duties may be assigned to meet business needs. Okay. So, what will you bring to the table? What kind of requirements do you need to bring? So, education is a BS or higher in engineering, chemical, mechanical, or fire protection, or other safety related field. An EIT or safety related design designation preferred. Minimum of 5 years experience in the field of process safety. Experience with combustible dust, flammable and or hazardous materials is preferred. Experience and strong knowledge in safety related areas, PSM, RMP, combustible dust, chemical reaction hazards, flammable liquids, gases, etc. Strong knowledge of relevant safety standards and regulations, NFPA, building and fire codes, and OSHA, etc. Strong personal communication and leadership skills. Must be able to work well under pressure with a team environment. Must deliver reports and analysis documents within time-driven deadlines. Okay. So physical considerations. Must be able to work on a variety of client locations, environments, and conditions. This may include climbing stairs, walking long distances, walking on rough and uneven terrain, walking through client work facilities, working in heat, cold conditions, indoors and outdoors. Must be able to accommodate working various shifts and client activities are scheduled. Must be able to withstand the rigors of extensive travel. May require difficult travel and long periods of driving. Ability to move and conduct work in full-time range of motion. Ability to lift 25 to 50 pounds luggage. Extended periods of computer-based work. Extended periods of standing. Travel conditions. Domestic and or international travel required. Estimated up to 50%. Okay, so this position, like I said, it is probably a remote travel. This is definitely a remote travel position. So you be probably working at a central location, preferably at home, but you have to go to different sites, travel, visit facilities, take your part in inspection, code safety, and reviews, and just going to different locations and performing safety policy regulation inspections. So, so what will you receive for the value you bring? So compensation. So Dekra North America's compensation reflects the cost of labor across several U.S. geographic locations markets. The base pay for this position ranges from 70,000 annually in our lower geographic market to 140,000 into a higher geographic market. Actual pay is based on several factors, including market location and position related knowledge, skills, and experience. Okay. So benefits. Let's just take a look at the health and well-being benefits. So healthcare benefits. You get medical and prescription, dental, vision, including domestic partners, critical illness and hospital indemnity, supplemental insurance, company health statements and account contribution, flexible spending account for eligible healthcare and dependent care expenses, paid time off such as vacation, sick leave, and floating holidays, mental and emotional support resources through our employee assistance program, wellness program to increase activity and health habits, with the ability to earn participating rewards, paid parental leave, and travel assistance. Financial benefits. Participation in the 401k plan with an employer match, company paid short and long term disability benefits, group term life insurance with the options to buy up for self and others, growth and development benefits, education assistance program, student loan repayment assistance, internal training and development resources to grow your career, annual career goal setting, and performance review cycle participation. Then you can take a look at some of the other additional benefits like process safety consulting management. This is work model is remote, is US based remote. Supervisor others? No. This is full time regular exempt. Okay. So this looks like a very interesting safety process safety position, process safety specialist for Dekra. So like I said, they work with other companies as far as consulting, make sure safety regulations are followed, reporting as to such. So if you, like I said, if all these positions, you have the safety background, regulation background, HSC background, then these are the positions for you. I will leave the link in the description below, and be sure to apply for this position if this sounds good for you. Well, guys, thank you so much for checking out this episode of Remote Job Opportunities Safety and Quality Special. Be sure to like and subscribe this channel, and please check these opportunities to see if they are a good fit for you and your professional goals. All right, guys, take care so much and have an awesome day. Bye.